If you follow me on a regular basis, you know what this video is about, the weekly analysis video where I share my pending orders with you on gold and major US pairs. But just be sure you stick around to the end because I have two exciting things to announce. One, the copy trade is finally live and going well. And two, if you want a prop firm trading account, 50K or 100K, OND is giving a big promotion. So let's jump in and go ahead and get started. And before I do that, if you found this video by accident and you are interested in learning how to trade Forex, I do have a free video tutorial course. It's about 10 videos, and this will help you to find out if trading is a good fit for you. You can find out how to sign up with a broker, install your trading software, set up your indicators, learn how to buy and sell, pending orders, risk management, fundamental news. It's really jam-packed with a lot of information to help you set up the foundation of getting started with trading without any investment. It's absolutely free, no obligation. And this will help you to find out whether trading is a good fit for you. So the link for that is in the description below. And if you are already a trader, but you would like to know how to avoid swap charges, well, that's quite easy actually. There are brokers now offering swap-free trading. And the one that I use is Ultima Markets. You can either scan the QR code or go to the link in the description below for swap-free trading on commodities and currencies. So let's go ahead and get started with a weekly analysis and have a look at this week's upcoming fundamental news. And here's a screenshot of this week's upcoming news, just a couple of items you need to be concerned about, and I've highlighted those for you. Just be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times. Now these are my pending orders, the trade setups that I already have in place for this upcoming week. And just remember, I do all of this to help you make profit with your trading, but this is not financial advice, okay? I'm not a CPA. This is strictly for educational purposes. I'm not suggesting or recommending that you take the same trades. You can if you want to, but it's totally up to you. It's up to you to use good risk management and to manage your own trading account. So the first one we have, of course, I always like to look at the DXY. That's the US dollar compared with 6 major currencies. And it's just continuing its decline. And I've been saying this all year, and this decline, you can look back as far as you want. This decline that we're seeing started mid-January, before Trumpty Dumpty took office. And it's just been down, 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 and it's going to continue to decline as in the weeks and months upcoming. Then the JPY index, which is the JPY, the Japanese yen, compared with major currencies, and the Japanese yen is considered to be a safe haven, and it's getting stronger. So you guys that trade the UJ, the USD JPY, what are you going to be doing next week? The dollar is weakening, the Japanese yen is getting stronger. Well, yeah, of course, you'll be selling the USD JPY. Now, the first pending order I have for you is the Euro US. It's a buy limit with the entry price of 1.1342. Just let it drop back down to our support level there, and then the pending order will execute a buy limit on the Euro US. With the decline of the US dollar, we are bullish on the major pairs. The odd US, similar, okay, a buy limit with the entry price of 0.6487. The New Zealand US, a buy limit with the entry price of 0.5963. The pound US, made a great run on Friday with a buy limit for next week with the entry price of 1.3487. And the USD CAD, of course, a sell limit, okay, with the decline of the US dollar and the USD CAD getting back into more normal prices after that big run up to almost $1.50. So the entry price for a sell limit on the USD CAD, 1.3775. And then finally the UJ, of course, it's a sell limit. But I've said many times in sharing my pending orders with you that it's often good to just make a market execution order. Just when the market opens on Monday morning or Sunday evening, if you're in the US, just sell the UJ, okay? Just sell the USD JPY, because Tokyo is one of the first markets to open, and it oftentimes gets quite active as soon as the market opens. So rather, you can put a sell limit, but it's advisable you can also just take market execution, just sell the UJ. And lastly, the XAU USD, the one that everybody loves to trade, and that's gold. And after a wild bearish run for a couple of weeks, we finally saw the end of that, and gold is now bullish again. At least it's bullish on the H4 chart. It's still neutral on the day chart, but I think sometime Monday afternoon we'll probably see that it's showing bullish on the day chart also. We're seeing a great run with gold from around the 3,200 level up to 3,350. So a big run last week, but it should pull back. Okay, not necessarily, no guarantee, but we should see a retracement back to about 33.25. So a buy limit on gold at 33.25. And as I said in the beginning, I have a couple of announcements, and I didn't actually announce the copy trade would be coming forward, and I would let you know when it's released. And it's now public, okay? And the link is in the description below. For those of you that don't want to trade, don't know how to trade, not interested in learning how to trade, you can just connect your trading account with this copy trade account, and when this copy trade account, this provider account, makes a trade, then your account makes a trade. So you can find all the information in the link below. And if you want to, you have any inquiries or questions about how copy trade works, just telegram me. My ID is at rickrayfx. And then if you really want to have a big trading account, okay, and you can, all right, it's called a prop firm, and you can trade with $50,000 or $100,000, but from Oanda, this is a limited time offer. You can get a whopping 40% discount on the challenge fee. And that's for these two challenges, the 50K or the 100K challenge. And so the links are below in the description. And if you have any inquiries on that or questions how it works, you can contact me also about that. So guys, that wraps it up for this weekly analysis. I know it was a short one, but I hope that these pending orders will help you to be successful with your forex trading. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And of course, be sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when I make these videos. And I hope wherever you are in the world, you have a great week of trading, a successful week. And of course, don't forget, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'll see you in the next video.